hustles. Picture this. You wake up one morning, check your bank account, and see that you've made money while you were sleeping. No, this isn't a dream. It's the reality for many who have unlocked the potential of zero investment side hustles. You don't need to spend a dime to start earning extra income. All it takes is creativity, commitment, and a bit of guidance. In today's fast-paced world, finding ways to supplement your income without the financial burden of an initial investment is a game changer. Zero investment side hustles are more accessible than ever thanks to the digital age. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or a full-time worker, there are opportunities for everyone. The key is to start with what you already have: your skills, knowledge, and passions. This essay will explore practical, real-world examples of zero investment side hustles. From overcoming common obstacles to discovering the most effective strategies, you'll find everything you need to kickstart your journey. By the end, you'll be ready to take the first step toward financial freedom and endless possibilities. Section 2. Common barriers to extra income. Starting a side hustle can be daunting. The most common barrier is the fear of failure. Many people worry that their efforts won't pay off, leading to wasted time and energy. This fear often stems from a lack of confidence or previous unsuccessful attempts at earning extra income. Another significant obstacle is the misconception that you need money to make money. Many believe that without an initial investment, it's impossible to start a profitable venture. This misconception can discourage people from exploring side hustles, limiting their potential before they even begin. Time management is also a major challenge. Balancing a full-time job, family responsibilities, and personal time can leave little room for extra projects. The idea of adding another task to an already busy schedule can feel overwhelming, preventing many from pursuing their side hustle dreams. Section 3. Leveraging skills for profit. One of the easiest ways to start a zero investment side hustle is to leverage your existing skills. Think about what you're good at: writing, graphic design, coding, or even teaching. There are countless platforms that allow you to offer your services without any upfront costs. Freelancing websites like Upwork and Fiverr provide a marketplace for skilled individuals to connect with clients. You can create a profile, showcase your skills, and start bidding on projects. This path requires no investment, just your time and expertise. Over time, as you build a portfolio and gain positive reviews, your earning potential grows. Social media is another powerful tool for showcasing your skills. Platforms like LinkedIn or Instagram can help you build a personal brand. By regularly sharing your work and engaging with your audience, you can attract clients or customers interested in what you offer. This organic growth can lead to a steady stream of side income without spending a penny. Section 4. Monetizing your hobbies. Turning a hobby into a side hustle can be incredibly rewarding. Not only do you get to do what you love, but you also earn money from it. Hobbies like photography, crafting, or playing a musical instrument can be monetized with a bit of creativity and effort. For instance, photographers can sell their photos on stock image websites like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. Crafters can set up an Etsy shop to sell handmade items. Musicians can offer virtual lessons or perform at local events. These platforms often have no setup fees, making them ideal for zero investment hustles. Blogging is another great way to monetize a hobby. If you love writing about travel, cooking, or fitness, starting a blog can be a great outlet. With platforms like WordPress or Blogger, you can set up a blog for free. As your audience grows, you can earn money through advertising, sponsored posts, or affiliate marketing. Section 5. Selling your knowledge. Everyone has knowledge that others may find valuable. Whether it's expertise in a professional field or a unique life experience, sharing what you know can be a profitable side hustle. Online courses, coaching, and consulting are all ways to monetize your knowledge. Creating an online course has never been easier, thanks to platforms like Udemy or Teachable. You can design and publish a course on almost any topic without any upfront cost. Once your course is live, it can generate passive income as students enroll and complete the material. Coaching and consulting allow you to work directly with clients. Whether you're a career coach, fitness trainer, or a business consultant, your knowledge can help others achieve their goals. Social media and professional networks can help you find clients without spending any money on advertising. Networking is a crucial aspect of any side hustle. It can open doors to new opportunities and help you connect with potential clients or partners. The best part is that networking requires no financial investment, just your time and effort. Online communities and forums are excellent places to start. Websites like Reddit, LinkedIn groups, or specialized forums related to the field can be valuable resources. By participating in discussions and offering your expertise, you can build relationships and gain visibility. Local networking events and meetups also provide opportunities to connect with others. Many communities have free events where like-minded individuals gather to share ideas and support each other. These connections can lead to collaborations, referrals, and new business opportunities. The rise of online marketplaces has made it easier than ever to find side hustle opportunities. Platforms like eBay, Craigslist, and Facebook Marketplace allow you to sell items you no longer need. This zero-investment approach can provide quick cash while decluttering your space. Freelancing platforms offer a wide range of opportunities in various fields. Websites like Freelancer, TopTal, and Guru connect freelancers with clients looking for specific skills. By setting up a profile and showcasing your work, you can start earning money without any upfront costs. Virtual assistant services are another growing field in the freelance market. Businesses and entrepreneurs often need help with administrative tasks, social media management, or customer service. Offering your services as a virtual assistant can be a flexible and profitable side hustle. Consider the story of Sarah, a full-time teacher with a passion for baking. Sarah started sharing her baked goods with friends and family who encouraged her to sell them. Without any initial investment, she began by taking orders through social media. As word spread, Sarah's side hustle grew. She started a blog to share her recipes and baking tips, attracting a larger audience. Through her blog, she gained followers and began earning money through advertising and sponsored posts. What started as a simple hobby turned into a profitable venture. Today, Sarah's baking business is thriving. She sells her goods at local markets and online, and her blog generates a steady income. Sarah's story is a testament to the power of zero-investment side hustles. With passion and dedication, anyone can turn their interests into a successful business. The world of zero-investment side hustles is full of possibilities. By leveraging your skills, hobbies, and knowledge, you can create new income streams without spending any money. Overcoming common barriers like fear, misconceptions, and time management challenges is the first step toward success. Remember, the most effective solution is to start with what you already have. Your skills and passions are valuable assets that can lead to profitable ventures. Take inspiration from success stories like Sarah's and begin your journey today. Subscribe to the Extra Pursuit channel for more insightful content on side hustles and personal finance.